Technology and Livelihood Education. Food Preparation. Week 7 Part 3. Our topic is Oven Temperature Requirement. Review of the previous lesson. Directions. For each ingredient given, tell one or more common substitutes you can use in baking. Oven temperature requirement. Baking is both a science and an art, and one of the most important factors in producing high-quality baked products is using the correct oven temperature. Every recipe requires a specific temperature to ensure that ingredients bake evenly and develop the proper structure. When the oven is too hot or too cool, the final product may become undercooked, overbrowned, dry, or fail to rise properly. Maintaining the correct oven temperature provides consistent cooking, creates a good texture, and allows baked products to achieve their desired rise, color, and overall consistency. Understanding the proper oven temperature requirements helps bakers produce delicious, attractive, and successful baked goods every time. Why proper temperature matters in baking. Proper temperature is crucial in baking because it provides consistent cooking, good texture, and the desired rise and consistency of the finished product. Cookies, crispy on the edges, soft in the middle and baked to perfection. Oven temperature must be from 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 to 190 degrees Celsius. Cakes, proper oven temperature ensures even baking, a soft texture and perfect rise. Oven temperature must be from 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 to 175 degrees Celsius. Always preheat oven for 10 to 15 minutes before baking for best result. Quick breads. Fast to make. Use baking powder or baking soda for leavening, no yeast needed. The oven temperature must be from 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 to 200 degrees Celsius. Pies. Golden crusts, delicious fillings. Baking pies at the right temperature ensures a flaky crust and perfectly cooked fillings. The oven temperature must be from 375 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 to 220 degrees Celsius. Pastries. Proper oven temperature ensures golden, flaky and delicious pastries. The oven temperature must be from 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 to 200 degrees Celsius. Yeast bread. Soft, fluffy, and perfectly risen. Yeast breads need the right temperature to rise well, bake evenly, and develop golden crust. The oven temperature must be from 375 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 to 220 degrees Celsius. Step-by-step guide on how to use an oven. A properly used oven helps you bake delicious food safely and evenly every time. 1. Read the recipe. Check the required temperature, baking time, and rack position. 2. Preheat the oven. Set the oven to the temperature in the recipe and press bake. Wait until the oven is fully preheated, about 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Prepare the food. Prepare your ingredients and bake in the right bakeware. Place the food in the center of the oven for even cooking. 4. Set the timer. Set the timer for the recommended baking time. 5. Check for doneness. Check your food a few minutes before the time is up. Use a toothpick, time, or visual cues to test for doneness. 6. Turn off and remove. Turn off the oven. Carefully remove the food using oven mitts. Let it cool if needed. Safety reminders. Never leave the oven unattended. Use oven mitts when handling hot items. Keep the oven clean for better performance. Keep children away from the hot oven. How to adjust the heat. Most ovens use a temperature knob or digital panel. Here's how to adjust the heat. 1. Set the temperature. Turn the knob or press the up-down arrows to choose the desired temperature. 2. Preheat. Allow the oven to preheat until it reaches the set temperature. 3. Adjust if needed. If the food is browning too fast, lower the temperature. If it's cooking too slowly, increase the temperature. Tips for adjusting the heat. Lower heat, slower cooking, less browning. It is good for delicate baked goods. Higher heat, faster cooking, more browning. It is good for crust and rise. Always follow the recipe as a guide and adjust as needed. Here is an example: how to bake chocolate chip cookies. 1. Prepare. Mix the ingredients and scoop the cookie dough. 2. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. 3. Bake. Place the tray in the center rack and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. 4. Check. Cookies are done when edges are golden and centers are set. 5. Cool and enjoy. Remove from the oven, let it cool for a few minutes and enjoy. The following are the common oven problems and solutions. Food browning too fast. Lower the temperature and move the rack to a lower position if the fire is on top. Food cooking too slowly. Increase the temperature and check the baking time. Uneven baking. Check the oven rack position. Make sure the food is in the center and not overcrowded.
This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.